What's up guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set a song as a ringtone on your Android device. Now here I am using a Samsung Galaxy A5 2017 with Android 8.0 audio. So the first thing you need to do is go to your settings, locate your settings, and then go to sounds and vibration, and you need to go to ringtone. And here you need to have music installed on your phone, okay? You have to have an MP3 or WAV file in your phone, all right? So tap on ringtone, and here you have to tap on add right here, okay? It's gonna open with sound picker. Now it might ask you to choose what software you wanna choose when you tap on add, okay? So choose sound picker right here, okay? And here it will show you all your tracks that are installed on your phone. Click on the track that you want to choose, for example this one, okay? And you tap on done, and here it is, okay? It is automatically added to my ringtones. And here it asks me if I want to play the ringtone from the beginning, and I tap, if you want it from the beginning, you tap on OK. If you want it highlights only, you pick on highlights only and you click on OK. And that's basically it, guys. So if you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments down below what would you like me to show you in my next how-to videos. Thank you for watching, guys, and take care.